In this video, we're going to find the area of a rhombus. So if we have a problem like this that says find the area of the rhombus, and we could see this is a rhombus, and it has diagonals of length 4 meters and 5 meters. Okay, so the area of a rhombus is 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So now we just have to look for the diagonals and we take note of them. The rhombus has diagonals D1 equals 5 meters and D2 equals 3 meters. So we just plug in the numbers. Area equals 1/2 times 5 times 4. And when you multiply that out, it gives you 10. And don't forget to put in the units. Area is measured in square units, so it's 10 meters squared. And that's the end of this lesson. Don't worry if you don't understand that. You could rewatch the video and replay it. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.